What is IBM Mobile Access? IBM Mobile Access is a solution that we have for the IBM platform that allows you to connect to your IBM on your mobile device, plain and simple, whether it's through your iPhone, your iPad, or your other favorite mobile device. You can get either a GUI interface or access to a 5250 emulator right in the palm of your hand. How is this accomplished? The IBM Mobile Access solution is actually a web-based solution that's been optimized to work well in the mobile footprint. It's easy to deploy and get running. It's part of the 5770XH2 Access for Web/Mobile solution that we've had on IBM. It's one simple CL command to get up and running, and a very simple URL to access. It's incredibly robust with many different features, as well as highly customizable, allowing you to control what users have access to what pieces of functionality within this interface, even above and beyond what you might have controlled through normal IBM security measures. So let's dive in and take a look at this solution. As I'm doing this presentation on my iPad, let's swing over and take a look at the solution through our browser. So I've got a shortcut that you saw on my desktop. I can come over here and I can go look at jobs and go see my active jobs that are on this machine and quickly see everything that's here. I have the options of doing things like sorting on current user, and that'll resort things. I can even find all of my jobs using the quick filter compilations that's right there. Now, if I wanted to dive in and take a look at what's going on with one of these jobs, if I go in and click on properties, I can easily get that. Now, if you're like me, sometimes it's hard to be able to get at the right spot. No worries. We support the full range of expansion that's provided as part of the normal behaviors of the iPad. So here I've got some general information about this particular job. Now, if I come back out here, other things that of interest, messages. I can go look and answer messages on the QSys Opera message queue. How powerful is that? Some of the other really powerful features that are part of this interface is the commands interface, where I can actually go and I can save commands to be run on this system. So if I have a batch job that I want to run on a regular basis, no problem. I can create that and run that. Additionally, with all the focus that we have on SQL services, we have the ability to create and run SQL services or SQL also through this interface. So in this particular example, I've got my spooled users. So I want to go and run that, and I want to see who are all the users that are leveraging and hogging all the storage on this machine. Well, we can see who's winning that race. Now, how do we do this? Well, pretty easy. If I go and look at the edit, you can see I've got an SQL statement that's leveraging some of our amazing IBM services to provide more information about the system. Now, I've saved that so I can easily run this whenever I want. One of the biggest features about our Access for Mobile support is definitely the 5250 interface. I can come and look and start an active session, and I have a active 5250 emulator right here on my iPad. Now, we have a couple features that we definitely want to show: fixed text as well as a function key bar. Once I save those, I have a well-formatted emulator along with my F keys all right there ready to go. And then I can now sign on to this machine and do normal things that I might consider doing as part of my job from an emulator. Easy to do. And the best thing, none of this is actually running on my iPad. This is all running on the IBM. What we're doing is through the web interface, we're leveraging the view of the content that's actually on the IBM itself. Nothing to install on my iPad. I can connect using any device of my choosing. So our Access for Mobile solution, there's a lot there. Whether it's this rich GUI interface, whether it's access to a 5250 emulator, it's all there at the touch of your fingertips. To get more information, you can always go to our Access Mobile webpage, where you can find out how to access and obtain this product, as well as how to set up and install. And this is a product that is all part of your Access family licenses already, and more than likely, you already have the necessary licensing to leverage it in your shop.